Welcome. I am going to help you learn how to sign in to your student's Google account and how to join your Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is log on to Google Chrome. And it's very important that you do Google Chrome. It works the best with the Google Classroom. So after you've logged on to Google Chrome, you're going to look over here onto the right-hand corner. Now, you can see that I am signed in under my account here, and I'm going to show you how to do your student's account. If you click on the 9 dots, which is the Google Apps, and click on the search, if you didn't have a bubble up here, this would say sign in. It would be a blue sign in, but I'm already signed in here. So we are just going to create another account. So you click on the picture, go down to the very bottom, and it says add another account. You can either choose an existing account or you can add another one. So when it says use your Google account, your student is going to have their first initial and then their last name. I am going to use Bethany as an example here to sign in. So it's her first initial, her last name, and after the @ sign, it's always ccamccallan.com. Now, if you have multiple students or in your family that have the same initial and last name, we will put a 1 or a 2 or a 3 behind it, and we will give you that information as soon as that is available. And your sign-in will come from your teachers through your Google account. After you put that in, you sign next, and you go ahead and put in your password, and that will be given. Passwords, we leave the same because a lot of times kids have trouble signing in and the teachers need to help them. And it's quite a process to go and redo the passwords. So the K5 through 5th grade, do not change your password. And then you push next. And now I am in Bethany's account. So when you come up here, you'll see the B. It no longer has my picture. It now has a B for Bethany, and you can see that it's signed in. Now, after you are signed in to get to your classroom, you go to the 9 dots, the Google Apps dot, click on it, and then you will see Classroom. So click on the Classroom. It'll take you to this screen. There should be none here. If there is some from last year for some reason, just unenroll your student. It will archive it, but nobody is here. So we come up here to the right-hand side and click the plus sign. Now we are going to join a class. We are not going to create a class. That is for teachers only. So no student should be creating a class. So we're going to join a class. Your teachers will send you through Dojo the different codes for each class. Each class is a different sign-in. Today we're going to sign up Bethany for Miss Merritt's class and for my on-site computer class. So down here in the bottom, you will type in the code exactly as it is given. And it is very important to get it exactly. Now I am signed in to Miss Merritt's 4th grade class, but I have another class I need to sign into. So you go to the left-hand side of your screen and the 3 dashes over here, which is the main menu. You click on that and you're going to click on Classes at the top. Now we're to the main screen here and we can add another class. Come to the right with the plus sign, click on it, join another class. Go down to the class code. Make sure again it's exact, and then click join. And then also make sure you're in the right class as well. I had one time somebody join from some other school by accident. Okay, so now Bethany is signed up for on-site computers. So there's an on-site computers and there's a virtual computers. So you can have multiple classes. So we come back over here to our classes and now Bethany is signed up for 2. And you can see in Miss Merritt's class there that there is already an assignment that we were practicing on that's due for next Tuesday. Your students' agendas are going to be on Google Classroom this year. You can see up here where it says calendar. It will pull it up and it will show the assignments. There's none for this week, so we'll click on next week and you can see that the Bible is Truth is already on there and tells your student when it is due. Go back to the dots up here in the top corner and you can also get a to-do list. It shows you the assignments, it shows you what's missing, it shows you what's done, and it'll list that on the side. So that is how you sign up for Google Classroom. Well, one more thing I'm going to show you. It's time for virtual learning and you want your student to get on. All you need to do is log into your Google Classroom, click on the class that you're going to go virtual with, and right here is your Google Meet. Right under the grade level, the link is set up. And this is what you'll need to do when Miss Merritt goes live, is click on that link. If you're in middle school and it's got 6th grade math, and then 6th grade science or 6th grade Bible, you will need to go to that classroom and click on that link to receive that class. But it's there, there's no invitation sent. It's just the same link all the time, which is pretty cool and makes it really simple. So I hope you found this video helpful. There may be more to come. Google Classrooms is an excellent tool. It's fun to use, everything in one place. So have fun learning.